Welcome to your custom-built home, situated on a corner lot with beautiful curb appeal. The split floor plan gives the added privacy with the owner's suite off the living area and additional bedrooms off from the dining/kitchen area. The owner's suite includes walk-in closets and sliders to your covered lanai, while the owner's bath includes a garden tub and double sinks. The bright and open living and dining areas along with the baths have easy-to-care-for tile flooring. The spacious kitchen showcases 42-inch cabinets, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and a breakfast bar for additional seating and overlooking the eat and dining area. The living area provides access to the screened lanai and huge backyard. Perfect home for entertaining inside or out. Enjoy the view of your outdoor living space on the covered lanai or take advantage of the large backyard. Recent updates include a new air conditioner, 2019, and water heater, 2021. You are centrally located to all your needs. Just 4 miles to Interstate 4, 2 miles to City Hall and the library, walking distance to city and dog parks along with a short drive to the beaches, shopping, Amazon facility, and more.